Hi there, welcome to Westfield and beyond. Today I'm going to talk to you about 5 things that buyers hate about your home. Yes, I know it's a tight market, there's multiple offers and high prices, but there's still some objections that buyers really do have. And the first one is overgrown landscaping. When they arrive, they want to be wowed by curb appeal. The second one is darkness. They don't like dark houses. Let the light shine in. The third one is dirt. Dirt, clutter, bugs, it's all got to go. Number 4, well, it's unpleasant odors. If your house smells just a little, it's hard to sell. So we need to address that. And number 5 is privacy. Buyers hate sellers hanging around when they're trying to look at their home. So let's discuss all of these 5 in more detail. Item number 1, overgrown landscaping. Does your yard look like something plucked from the outside of the Addams family mansion? If so, it's time to tame that overgrown jungle. When buyers arrive at your home, they want to see rolling green lawns. They want to imagine themselves having barbecues outside with friends and family, not running from menacing vines. Get pruning those unsightly shrubs. Rip out any dead plants and refresh those garden beds. A few colourful annuals can brighten things up. Oh, and please don't forget to clean up the porch, and you can evict that family of spiders that have been living there for the last couple of years. Nobody wants them squatting there during showings. With some landscape TLC, you can trade the haunted house vibes for major curb appeal. A neatly groomed yard signals that you have lovingly cared for your home, and it's a perfect welcome for buyers who want to envision living in their dream house, not running away from man-eating plants. Tip number 2, darkness. Brighten up for a warm welcome. A dark, dimly lit home can really deter buyers. If you have blinds and drapes across your windows, please pull them back so that the light can show in. And if you can bear the lack of privacy, it might even be better to eliminate them altogether. You'd be amazed how much bigger and brighter a room will feel without them. Sometimes a fresh coat of light paint will make certain rooms feel so much brighter and a bigger space. And if you can't be home to turn on the lights, please use smart lights or use a timer. Well-lit rooms feel more welcoming, while shadowy spaces really don't. For vacant homes, it's good to put a floor lamp in any room that doesn't have overhead lighting. Plug it into the outlet controlled by the switch so that the home is easy to show. By maximizing light flow and brightness, you'll ensure that you make an appeal to your buyers and they can't wait to see more. Tip number 3, get rid of the clutter, grime, and critters. Buyers don't want to envision their future home as being part of a hoarder's reality show. When they walk in, they're dreaming of a fresh start, not wondering if they need a hazmat suit. It's time for a ruthless purge. Donate anything you don't want or have a garage sale. Pack up the sentimental knickknacks, put them in boxes and hide them away. Then get ready for a deep clean and go at it like a possessed demon on reality TV. And if furry or creepy crawly squatters have taken up residence, it's eviction time. Try humane do-it-yourself methods first. But if these pests are digging in their heels, you may need to hire a professional wildlife relocation team. With clutter-free, spick and span homes, buyers will be able to envision their futures there instead of running for the hills. Tip number 4, evict those funky smells. You may be nose blind, but buyers can smell lingering cigarette smoke and pet odors from a mile away. Those are instant romance killers. Until moving day, please take your smoking outdoors. Keep the litter boxes clean and enforce those rules for teenage laundry. Nobody wants to smell unknown and unpleasant odors. Also, if you don't mind, avoid cooking pungent foods until after closing day. Many buyers will head for the door upon smelling it. Ditch the potpourri and plug-ins. Those fragrances just scream, we are hiding something even nastier. Instead, channel your inner CSI agent and use a black light to find those hidden pet spots. And then deploy enzymatic cleaners to take away the smell. Basements need a dehumidifier too. For the reek of cigarette smoke, wash down walls and ceilings with a TSP sub and then repaint. Steam clean carpets and drapes. And if there are really smoke damaged curtains and furniture, get rid of them, or if you want to, replace them. Once those unpleasant smells are neutralized, your buyers can dream of their new home with a fresh smell instead of holding their noses and running away. Number 5 is privacy. Home showings, privacy is key for buyer bliss. If you're planning to channel your inner James Bond during home showings, I think you should rethink that strategy. Buyers and their agents need to be able to roam free and have privacy to discuss your home's features without fearing that they're going to offend a lurking homeowner. Using hidden cameras for a negotiating edge may be unethical, and it's also not a very welcoming vibe. Buyers want to envision living in your space without you creepily hovering nearby. Give buyers privacy and you'll create a comfortable environment where they can look around, open some closets, and freely analyze the pros and cons without worrying about hurt feelings. They might even fall for your home, especially if they can imagine living there without prying eyes. Ditch the spy games and let buyers roam freely. Your home deserves a fair shot at finding its new owners, and a little privacy will go a long way in making that happen. So, summing up, potential buyers can be deterred by certain issues that distract them from appreciating what your home has to offer. These problems make it difficult for them to envision living there. Fortunately, many buyer turnoffs can easily and affordably be addressed. By taking some proactive steps, you ensure that your property makes the best impression during showings. This increases the likelihood of receiving strong offers from buyers who can just picture themselves living in your house. Don't let the flaws prevent them from seeing why your home is worth buying. I'm Jackie Safran of Coldwell Banker in Westfield. I'm here to guide you through properly preparing your home to appeal to buyers and to make a great sale. My expertise can help you avoid pitfalls and position your listing for success in this market. If you like this video, please subscribe and like below. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you next time round.